Hey guys, welcome to the potting shed. Danny and I are over here. He's making some seed starter potting soil, I guess. And I'm going to show you what we're fixing to do. I'm going to try and get some things ready for my greenhouse. And we're going to be putting them under the Hoss Tool, what's it called?
It's a grow light.
Grow light type thing. It's a whole kit. We're going to put it under it and see how fast they grow. Now these are the 4 trays that come with that kit, but they come like this. Danny just cut the bottoms out of these cheap, you see how flimsy, cut the bottoms out of everything so that when we get ready to take them out, we have 4 individual plants instead of one big glob.
Yeah, you don't mess with the root system on it.
Yeah, it doesn't bother.
Now we're gonna put a little bit of potting soil in this here.
Instead of using our good potting soil in the bottom, we're gonna kind of
It's okay to put this in there for the seeds roots to grow in.
Yeah.
When you go to cover your seeds up, you want the other medium.
Yeah, we're just using this. This is Schultz. Don't need too much. I don't want it too high.
Well, when you wet it, it's gonna go down.
True.
Yeah, that's why I thought I'd just bump it around, get all the, it'll level itself out.
Kind of levels it out enough that we can get
anything that falls over spills over onto the screen, and then we can use it.
So we have those. We can probably put a little bit more in some of them. Now, first off, we have them all ready for the seeds, right?
Yeah, got them pretty much ready for seeds. Starting in it there.
I'm going to be doing 1 whole tray, which will be 4 of the Shannon Red from Kitazawa Seed Company. They sent me these, I think, as a freebie, or I might have ordered them. I don't ever remember.
I think they were a gift.
But I'm going to do all 4 of those there. I've got from Hoss Tools the Spineless Beauty Zucchini. Danny's going to do 2 here. And we have the Gold Prize Squash from Hoss Tools. We're going to do 2. I don't like to do too much in my high tunnel because of bugs, but I'm hoping we can get these in and out before the bugs really do too much damage. Now from Hoss Tools, I'm going to try the Roadster and the Mountain Vineyard tomato. He's going to do 2 each. Again, I don't want a whole lot of tomatoes in my greenhouse. We're going to do any we do outside. Now this is a greenhouse cucumber called the Diva. It does not need pollinators. That was the big thing. What do they call it? Self-pollinating? I'm going to do the Diva cucumbers. He's going to do 4. I don't need 4 cucumbers really, but I don't know how. These are from Jung Seed. I'm not sure how they're going to come up, so we're going to do 4 of them. All right, I have all of the seeds in there.
I'm trying to take the onions and kind of like make good soil contact with them.
And I put about 3 or 4 seeds in each one of the onions because Danny said they could be separated later. Now he's putting his little seed starter stuff. You want to see that? We're going to put that over on
Don't take much.
Deep South. It's just real light soil that won't pack them.
You don't want to cover an onion very deep at all.
Let them come up. Now that's the zucchini, the spineless zucchini. I did 2 in each one.
Kind of make good soil contact with them.
And the other is the Gold Prize squash. I like our potting shed. It's right warm in here today.
Yeah, compared to how cold it is outside.
It's cool outside, but we can come in here and it's warm.
Yep. Okay.
All right, now the Roadster tomatoes. We put a couple in each
You don't want
one
to
of
go very deep
those.
with them, just barely.
And the other is the Mountain Vineyard tomatoes. I think that's a smaller tomato.
That little piece of wood right there.
that needs to come out, yeah.
Yeah, get that out of there. And another piece. Okay. Should be good to go there. Now, once again,
Danny will be planting Amish paste or celebrity somewhere, one or the both outside, but I just wanted a
Yeah.
few early starts maybe in my greenhouse.
all right.
Now, these are my Diva cucumbers. This is a new one for us.
Yeah, we've never grown these before. These don't have to be pollinated.
We've had to hand pollinate and open doors for pollinators to get in the greenhouse, and these do not have to have that. So we're anxious to see how well they produce and what the cucumber actually tastes like.
Yeah.
Because I'm kind of picky about my cucumbers. I
Yeah.
like the taste of the pickling cucumbers best.
Okay.
All right.
All we gotta do now is just get them watered in.
Well, we take them and put them in that.
Yeah. We still
Under
have to
the-
water. We still have to water them from the top, but we're gonna take them and set them in them Hoss seed starting trays.
And it waters from
And
the
it
bottom.
waters from the bottom. Yes.
Yes. All right, we're back inside. I have the Hoss tool, little mini, I guess you'd seed starting thing. It comes with its own grow light, its own mat, everything here. I've already put water in it, but it's got these little boosters that sit there to keep your stuff out of the water. The mat comes over, it hangs in the water on both sides so it absorbs water. Your water's on the mat. Then you sit your trays up on there like this. And I'm gonna come back and sprinkle water across the top because these are the first day of the seeds. And you just kind of keep these damp across the top, but once they start sprouting, they will absorb from the bottom. It'll pull the roots down. Y'all be amazed in 7 days what this looks like. I think this is the 6th of February. So let's see by Valentine's. Do I have anything growing by Valentine's? February the 6th. Got the little Hoss tool seed starter setup going. This top is adjustable so that right now, while there's no little plants, I have it down. I could go even lower, but that's probably going to be good. As the plants start growing, you start bringing the top up to give the plants light, but yet not touching them. So guys, let's see by February 14th what kind of seeds we have. That's only a week away. Okay guys, I raised the top just a little bit so you can see what I've got going on. This is February the 13th. I know I said by the 14th, but on the 13th, look at this. The Diva cucumbers, I've got 3 out of 4 are up, looking great. The tomatoes, the roadsters, I see 2. Both roadsters have some coming up. The vineyard, I don't see any yet. The zucchini and the gold prize squash, I don't see anything except right there. A gold prize is starting to pop the ground. And then with the onions, look, I see a touch of green, so they're fixing to be popping. This is the 13th. I know I said the 14th, but I'm working on the video. So guys, in 6-7 days, I think it's been 7 days, I've already got some good plants going, and that by 2 or 3 more days, they'll be up tall enough I can give you another update later in the week. Thank you guys from Crazy Days.